Oh, hi guys. So today, Tommy is gonna try a fresh strawberry. This is my strawberry. The other one's his. Thank you, Dad. Today, Tommy's gonna try strawberry. These are fresh strawberries, so they're very, very delicious. I just realized that you weren't able to see my face. So how I got this is a whole nother story. Dad, wait, get the kitty. Okay, so these strawberries, there's a whole nother story. Basically, all the places we went to get these strawberries are closed, except the last one, even though it's closed, we still were able to get it. That's just the short version. These are very, very delicious. This one is mine. It looks perfect, basically. This is Thomas. Thomas, it's very delicious. See, look, Thomas. Okay, I'm just gonna break a piece off. No, I'm sorry. I was going to the bathroom. So I'm just gonna explain what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna break a piece off, and then I'll see if he likes it. And I'll give him more if he does like it. But if he doesn't like it, I guess I'll just eat it. But yeah, I'll just gonna. Ah! You two don't worry, this is not blood. I like to have pet wipes right here. Even though they're pet wipes, they can still work at least. But anyway, yeah. So that strawberry tastes delicious. I'm just gonna pause the video. Wow. Okay, so anyways, already. So I broke a piece off. There you go. It's food. Tell me. Okay, I don't think he wants to try this by itself. So Dad, may I get that plant behind you? Okay, now unpause. Unpause.
I never paused it.
Oh! I thought you paused it. But no. So I'm just gonna So I have some catnip. So maybe if I put this on the strawberry, then Tommy will be able to eat it. No, here. Come on. I don't think he wants to.
Yeah, you can't force him to eat it.
Okay, come on. Do you want to eat it? Maybe if I don't force him, maybe if I just put it down here, maybe then he'll eat it. Oh, yeah, right there. It's right there. I don't think he really wants to eat it. Yeah, watch me eat it. This is good. This is really a little bit more. We'll even eat this. Well, Tommy, you can talk? This is really cool. Okay. Here. No, don't eat the plant itself.
He just wants catnip.
He wants catnip. Is there more catnip? Yes. More catnip on the strawberry. I think he's smelling it, but not really eating it. Tommy! Don't eat the whole entire plant. We only have one leaf at a time. You can't just take a whole chop out of the plant. Let's just take a whole chop out of the plant. Ugh! Tommy, you're getting dirt all over my bed. Okay. I don't think Tommy wants to eat this, so bye, everyone.